How's it going, everybody? I'm Brandon Peace, and today on TURKEYLEG TV, we're making a shoehorn out of a BANKSIA nut. So let's get right to it.
Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up, come to visit me. She said that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open up. Open, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
Oh, would you look at that? I guess it's not that kind of horn. If you like this video, everyone, make sure you smash that thumbs up. If you have an idea of what you want to see me build next, make sure you comment below. And if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe. That's it for me, everybody. Thank you. I love you. Peace.